Here is the latest for Shiba Inu. We got some information for you. Now, back on July 3rd, Shytoshi wrote this. Today I write, tomorrow I will have a lot to say, Shiba Army. And then the next day after that, on July 4th, he also had this to say on Twitter. Medium is just about done, but out of respect for the 4th of July, I will post tomorrow, which that will be July 5th. Have a safe time out there to all my American friends. And then I saw this article came out from FXstreet.com saying this teases the Shiba Army. Here's what we expect in terms of the news. Now, I saw this information right here. Crypto Twitter speculates updates on Shibarium, ShibGame, Shiba Swap, or a new burn mechanism for the Dogecoin killer. Now, Shiba Inu lead developer Shytoshi teases Shiba Army with a cryptic tweet. We have to see what's going on right now. So that should be very, very interesting. Today I write, I will have a lot to say. Now, you do know this, around 90%, if you did not know this, around 90% of Coinbase users who own SHIB prefers to hold it versus the 10% who sell it. So a lot of people are holding SHIB, maybe because of some news like this, or maybe because of something else. Now, 87% of Coinbase users are buying SHIB. And that's very, very true in the past 24 hours. So when I click on this article here, it does have a video that explains that more in depth. Now look at this. SHIB is up to 3.4 million Twitter followers. Now Bitcoin has 5 million. Bitcoin has 5 million. So could SHIB pass Bitcoin in Twitter followers? I do think they could compete with that in the future. Now, Shiba Inu governance token BONE has seen a price jump over the past 50%, over 50% in the past week as a stream of positive news about the SHIB related token continues. Now, from the new listings for the Shibarium layer 2, BONE has bucked the general crypto sentiment. So BONE has always been important. Now look at this, 80% of Coinbase users are buying SHIB as SHIB gets the 3rd place on CoinMarketCap trending coins. So when I go look at CoinMarketCap, it's up 1.15%, and let's see where it's trending at, okay? And it's trending right there. You see that trending? It is trending number 3 on CoinMarketCap. So we want to see, we're waiting to see what the news is. Let me go click on Shytoshi's Twitter page and see if there's been any updated information. Here's the Medium information that he put out, but I don't see anything else after that, so stay tuned. Once he drops it, I'm definitely gonna drop it on this channel. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Hey, it's trending, okay? There's news coming out. BONE, I'm telling you, take a look at BONE. Twitter followers are growing, it seems like every single day, and as well, 90% of Coinbase users who own SHIB prefer to hold it versus the only 10% that sell it. So we got a lot of holders in SHIB. They ain't selling it at all. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video.